Hi everyone. Welcome back to Tech World. Today I'm going to show you how to change PayPal account's password using iPhone. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. In order to change your PayPal account's passwords, you won't be able to find an option within the application for PayPal. So simply tap Open in Safari, and in the web address bar, type in www.paypal.com and search log into your PayPal account with the help of a web browser. Make sure to enter your credentials correct. Once you're logged into your PayPal account with the help of a web browser, tap on the hamburger menu from the main homepage, which is located at the upper left-hand corner. Now tap on the gear button in the upper right and this will bring up this menu from the top of the page. Tap on security option. You'll be able to see an option that says password. Tap it on and on the next page you'll get to change your password for your PayPal account. Type in the current password for your account in the first text box. So now after you're done, head over to the next field where it says new passwords and type in the new password that you want to change. To confirm the new password that you just typed in by typing it again in the next field where it says confirm new password and make sure that both of your passwords in the last two text box matches. Finally tap change password and you have successfully changed your password for PayPal account. Next time you log into your account you'll need to enter the new password that you just changed. To changing your password for your PayPal account is a great option if you want to keep your PayPal account secure now and then from possible threats. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.